Hi, I'm Jan Roberts from Key Leadership Institute and JR Speakers Club in Johannesburg, South Africa. I just want to briefly talk into an amazing course we're going to run in the last week of June for 5 days, 3 hours a day online, and it's called the Fearless Speaker. And it's a speaking skills crash course. Now, please don't get confused with public speaking, because most adults are not ready for this, but most teenagers certainly aren't ready for public speaking. They don't want to do that kind of thing. But it is more about being able to speak up, being able to speak in public, which is very, very different. So what you will learn on this in this 5-day crash course, if you're a teenager, and what your children will learn if you're a parent, is the effective communication skills. Now, whether it's with your peers, with your teachers, with people in the community, and indeed with your parents. If you want to build your self-esteem, if you want to become more confident, and that really happens with speaking, and if you want to prepare, increase opportunities and prepare for success in the future, then this is the course you need to be at. It was actually Warren Buffett. If you don't know who he is, Google him. He's a very wealthy person, but he said a long time ago in an interview that if there was one skill that he would recommend everybody takes, is the skill of communication, because it will, when you can learn to communicate more effectively, you have a more than 50% increase of opportunities and chances to make it through life very successfully. And that was his words, not mine. So if you have a son or daughter who might benefit from this, and if you're a teenager, go and ask your parents to sign you up on this course, and it's called the Fearless Teenager Speaking Skills Crash Course. We'll put the details in the box below, and we look forward to seeing you there. But remember, don't wait too long, because spaces are filling up and are limited. See you there. Take care.